Are you the one who feels like you have wasted more than half of the year? At the beginning of the year, you made so many resolutions. But now, you find yourself spending most of your time in bed scrolling through your phone, even though you know there are so many other productive things you could be doing. You just don't have energy to do anything, so you end up back in bed again. Let me help you break free from this lazy girl era and enter the that girl era. I am going to share with you simple habits that pulled me out from my lazy phase. I used to be so lazy, spending most of my time sleeping, scrolling through social media, and overthinking. These habits are very simple yet incredibly effective, and they can help you make 2024 your year. You still have few months left to make this year truly yours. Start your day early. I know it's very difficult to wake up early in the morning, but trust me, this small habit can literally change your life. Waking up early gives you a head start and allows you to accomplish more throughout the day. It's a peaceful time when you can focus on yourself without distraction. You'll have time to exercise, meditate, or simply plan your day ahead. This habit not only boosts your productivity but also improves your mental well-being. So set the alarm a little earlier and embrace the power of a fresh early start. Make your bed. Making your bed may seem like a small and insignificant task, but it can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. When you start your day by completing the simple task, it gives you a sense of accomplishment right from the beginning. When I make my bed first thing in the morning, it prevents me from feeling lazy and wanting to crawl back into the bed. So take a few minutes each morning to make your bed. This small habit can make a big difference in your overall productivity and well-being. Plan your day. I like to plan my day because it helps me stay organized and productive. Each morning I write down everything I need to do. This simple habit gives me a clear roadmap and helps me prioritize my task. By having a plan, I avoid feeling overwhelmed and stay focused throughout the day. It's amazing how much more I can accomplish when I can take a few minutes to plan my day. There are various tools you can use to plan your day. Planners and to-do lists are great for breaking down your task into manageable steps. Journaling. Journaling is an integral part of my daily routine, and I use 2 different journals to focus on different aspects of my life. First one is my gratitude journal. I like to fill my gratitude journal in the morning. It helps me start my day on a positive note by reflecting on the things I am thankful for. Then my manifestation journal. My manifestation journal is something I fill out at night. This is where I write down my goals, dreams, and things I want to attract into my life. By focusing on my aspirations before bed, I am able to go to sleep with a clear vision of what I want to achieve. Incorporating journaling into your daily routine can be incredibly beneficial. It's a simple yet powerful way to reflect, set intentions, and track your progress over time. Give it a try and see how it enhances your life. Vision board. Creating and maintaining a vision board is another powerful habit that I incorporate into my daily routine. Having a vision board helps me visualize my future and stay motivated. It's a daily reminder of my dreams and steps I need to take to achieve them. Creating a vision board can be a fun and creative process. You can use magazines, print out images from the internet, or even draw your own pictures. Incorporating a vision board into your routine can transform your mindset and help you stay aligned with your goals. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful habit that can literally change your life and mindset. To cultivate gratitude, I use a gratitude jar. Every night I write down something I'm grateful for on a small piece of paper or chit and put it in my gratitude jar. This simple act of reflecting on the positive aspects of my day helps me end the day on a positive note. This practice has significantly shifted my perspective, helping me focus more on positives rather than negatives. Seeing the jar fill up with chits over time is a visual reminder of all the good things in my life, no matter how small. You can also use a gratitude journal if you prefer writing in a notebook. The key is to make it a daily habit, whether it's in morning or at night. Regularly practicing gratitude can improve your mental and emotional well-being, reduce stress, and increase happiness. Develop a proper morning routine. A structured morning routine helps you start your day with a clarity, focus, and energy. Try not to reach for your phone or computer as soon as you wake up. Give yourself time to wake up naturally and focus on your own thoughts and goals first. Incorporate some form of physical activity, whether it's a full workout, a quick jog, or simple stretching exercises. This boosts your energy levels and improves your mood. Spend a few minutes reading a book, listening to a podcast, or watching a motivational video to inspire and motivate you. Creating your own morning routine can be a game changer. Customize it to fit your lifestyle and needs and see how it transforms your daily life. Start your day with intention and purpose, and you'll be amazed at how much more productive and positive your days become. Stop comparing your life with social media. In today's digital age, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your life to the seemingly perfect lives displayed on social media. However, this habit can be detrimental to your self-esteem and mental well-being. Understand that social media is curated highlight reel. People tend to share their best moments, achievements, and edited photos, which don't reflect the struggles and ordinary moments of real life. Everyone's journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others takes away from your own experiences and achievements. Focus on your personal growth, progress, and goals. By stopping the comparison habit, you'll find more contentment and happiness in your own life. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is a powerful habit that enhances awareness of the present moment and promotes overall well-being. Mindfulness involves paying attention to thoughts, feelings, bodily sensation, and the surrounding environment without judgment. Mindfulness helps reduce stress by promoting relaxation and decreasing the impact of stressful thoughts. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Incorporating mindfulness into your routine doesn't require much time but offers profound benefits for mental and emotional well-being. Stop procrastinating. Whenever I feel lazy or lack the motivation to complete my task, I remind myself of this timeless doha by Kabir ji. Kal kare so aaj kare so ab. This doha translates to what you plan to do tomorrow, do it today. What you plan to do today, do it now. It serves a powerful reminder to take immediate action and not put off tasks for later. When I recite this doha, it inspires me to overcome my procrastination and get things done. Prioritize self-care. Prioritizing self-care is not selfish. It's an essential aspect of maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life. By making self-care a priority, you invest in long-term happiness and resilience. By investing time and energy into self-care, you ensure that you are physically, mentally, and emotionally equipped to handle life's challenges effectively. Dedicate specific times each day or week for a self-care activities, whether it's a morning routine, an evening ritual, or a weekend indulgence. Consistency is key. Prioritize me time. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to forget the importance of taking time for yourself. Prioritizing me time is essential for maintaining balance, reducing stress, and fostering personal growth. Set aside specific times each day or week dedicated to activities that you enjoy or find relaxing. Whether it's reading a book or enjoying a hobby, make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Take occasional breaks from digital devices and social media. Use this time to focus on yourself and engage in offline activities that nourish your soul. Communicate the importance of me time to those around you and establish boundaries to ensure that your personal time is respected and preserved. Quality sleep. Quality sleep is fundamental to maintaining overall health and well-being. It's not just about the number of hours you spend in bed, but also about how restful and rejuvenating that sleep is. Develop a calming pre-sleep routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Make it a habit to avoid screens at least 1 hour before you go to sleep. The blue light radiation by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycle. Tidy your space every night. A clutter-free environment helps reduce stress and promotes a sense of calm. Wake up to a tidy space can improve your mood and mental clarity. An organized space enhances your ability to focus and be productive. Dedicate a few minutes each night to tidy up. This can include putting away items, organizing surfaces, and making your bed. If tidy up feels overwhelming, set a timer for 10 to 15 minutes. Focus on getting as much done as you can within that time frame. A clean space contributes to a clear mind and a positive start to each day. Don't be scared of failures. Fearing failures can hold you back from taking risks and pursuing your goals. Instead, viewing failure as a learning opportunity can drive you towards great achievements. Failure provides valuable lessons and insights. Each setback offers an opportunity to analyze what went wrong and how you can improve in the future. Taking risks and making mistakes are essential for innovation. Failure often leads to creative solutions and new approaches that you might not have considered otherwise. Remember, every failure is a chance to get closer to success. I know it can be tough to start all 15 habits at once. Try focusing on 5 habits each month. Start with the first 5, then add the next 5, and finish with the remaining 5. This gradual approach makes it easier to build lasting changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.